Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Vlog now? Yeah.
Hi. We're complete. Hi. Hi everyone. Yeah. Potato corner. Ayun no. Tatlong flavor ang pera.
Pwede ba tatlo yun?
Oo. Sa lounge po kami.
We're at the lounge. You wanna get coffee? There's coffee.
May coffee?
Coffee.
We're here. That's what matters.
We were given this.
Alam ni ate na wala pa kayo.
No.
Wala pa sila eh.
We were given this. Thank you very much. Thank you. Uy! Nag-transform siya into the umbrella. Room tour po. Mag-tour kayo. Bed. Boom.
Anong pagkakaiba na dyan?
I sit. We have TV.
Saan ka?
Electric fan. Walang aircon. Beds,
Ikaw, Mai,
beds.
saan ka?
AJ.
What?
We going out! Let's go!
Let's go! Ano yung good days?
Good days.
Okay, good taste daw po tayo. Let's go! Oh God, the fog, look. I'm under my umbrella. Coffee and
Ayan na yung Milo namin.
and their Milo. Oh, cook ni Mama. Wow. Oh. Ano nga ulit to? Happy brunch. Happy brunch.
Yan si AJ, yan si AJ.
Ay, na, bike. Let's go!
Let's just feel it as we drive.
Sobrang foggy din.
Yes!
Oh, go na! Go, go! Oh. Oh, piyama ni popcorn. Oh.
Ayan na. Hello. Ayan na sila. Good mo. Habulin natin yan.
Oh, it's so bad. Let's go!
Ay, lumakas sa ulan!
Ala, lumakas ang ulan. Palet. Sino nagpapata? Okay. Siya yung control sa wheel. Okay.
Apps, baka babangga natin sila. Oh, ikaw yan. You steer.
Oh!
Kala mo lang konti para mauna sila. You can pedal now. And then, kabig kaliwa. Yan. O, liko na. Diretso. Liko. Total ano. Eclipse of the heart. Yan! Diretso. Yan na. Yan. Balik sa'yo.
Yun! Hindi na-record pero ayan kami lahat basa.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
Ito sabi ni Cass, yung sarap daw dyan. Walang gagawin, pinipilahan.
What is bro doing? That's for the content.
Oh, go ba, go. Hello. So we're back here.
Basta sisiw lang
Kaya
naman.
nga eh. In short, we can't do anything because
Of the typhoon.
of the typhoon. Well, it's still a severe tropical storm. Or bagyo na ba?
Doon, bagyong Chrissy.
Oh, it's typhoon already, so it's too much. We tried.
We tried. Wow. Hail.
I guess.
Jane ka Scrabble? Scrabble. I don't know that either. I'm playing.
Exploding kitchen.
Oatmeal. Yung pinuntahan grocery. Cooking with Mama Elise.
Dito muna kami kasi mainit.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ilan, Mama?
7.
Happy dinner.
Happy dinner.
Happy dinner.
Hindi yan, baby.
Hey. Oh, narinig ko yun.
Eh, Jay, ikaw ba yan? Hindi yan. Pero ako, dog. Oh, may multo na ako. Tapos may
May parang multo.
Yeah, you are the ChatGPT.
Our last deal.
Kanina.
Yay! Good morning. Strawberry taho. Good morning, AJ. Good morning. Strawberry taho. Anong gas?
Sarap.
Ay.
Tama lang yung tamis niya.
We're almost ready.
Wait, question dito.
Yay! Hopefully, hindi na mula.
Somewhere, yeah.
Almost ready.
Hindi, mag-ganyan ako. Ay.
Ha?
Ako si Chicken Joy, paborito ng Pinoy. Pinag-aagawan ako ng lahat.
All done.
All done.
Fail.
Yan niya, abangan sa susunod.
Bakit nga sarado?
Yan ang tanong.
Magandang gabi.
Sino to isa nagbablog? Oh, hello.
So,
Yo.
So bakit nga sarado ang
kanina pa.
Kanina ko.
Nag-video naman kayo eh. Okay na yan.
my God.
It's so bahagin as well. Silent.
Uy, hello. Hello.
Ha?
Hello. Kasi nag-record ako yun.
Thank you. Walking now these Lourdes Grotto steps. That's the location. Okay, wow, this is very aesthetic. Up, up, away we go. Ayun na. And may onti pa yaw.
Oh! God! Basta bibidyo mo ang mukha nila habang umaakyat. Sabi na umaakyat. Hindi mo makahiga sa kakatawa.
Our Lady of Attempt.
Kaya ka na. Sige pa yung konti. Hindi yung ano lang yan.
Sa mga tao sa akin.
Kasama lang.
Another Our Lady.
Our Lady of Atonement Gardens.
Treasure Mountain in a nutshell. Legs. Legs cardio. Mulang bigla.
Kasi mulan na. Huwag na yung video.
Okay lang yan.
Dito, sama kami.
Good morning.
Basta ang paglalak.
Lalakbay.
Hindi kayo magano. Pray.
Just finished Lourdes Grotto steps. Ubeta ho.
I tried strawberry.
How does it taste?
Here.
Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Wow,
That's the weirdest.
Okay.
good souvenir.
To add it up, look at this.
Bombastic side eye.
Oh. Okay. Sabit ako. Wow. Sabit. Souvenir mo. Okay.
Well, hello. We have some souvenirs. What are these, bro? There's some bags, sling bags. Meron dito necklace. Bookmark yan. Oh, there's merchandise.
So cute nila.
Sling bags.
They're just a piece of
Ay,
leather.
bookmark.
Yeah, pero they're cute.
Baka may pen ko kayo.
I have.
Okay lang. Kasha naman pa.
Little Milky Way. Hot, cold, latte, vegan, adaptogenic, probiotic drinks. Vegan cafe. Vegan cafe pala to. Face.
Oh.
That's the ups section. Salubong. Peanut beats, peanut drizzle, one of my favorites. Bracelets, necklaces.
Cute na ba? Ah! Ito yung rings! What is that? What are those?
Ah, that's nice.
Oh my god.
Another souvenir shop. And this is another souvenir shop. Now this is sketchy. So this is what it looks like on the top. Pam, are you okay? Oh, this is a theater right here.
Wow.
Kakain po.
Happy lunch.
Picture tayo, AJ.
Wow! Umuusok pa yung akin.
Happy lunch. Umuusok pa yung iyo. Umusok pa nga yung akin din.
Wala. Water is just not. Walang bayad at tubig.
Final destination. Very nice view. Very nice view. You can see nothing.
Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's post.
Ayan.
Uwian na. Mga guys. Yeah, I'm a boy. Go guys! Isak-sak-sak-sak! Siksik! Buyan!
Promotion. Subscribe. Oh. Loading. We're back. By the way, we will be leaving in a while. Let's go. Oh. Ang kakayotic, kaya mag-subscribe kayo.
We sleepy, we tired. Hi. Good night.
By myself. Just gonna watch this lovely movie. On our way back to Antipolo.
Bye na.